Wow, my friends, look at this digital camera, brand new for 2026, that is jam-packed with features. Now, let me tell you, you are looking at me right now through this camera. I have it plugged in through a USB cable into my computer, so I'm using it like a vlogger. So this is going to be perfect for YouTubers, for videographers, for people out there that's putting in that vlog work. This is going to be a high quality camera that's going to be so much better than a web camera, I tell you. And I am completely impressed with this camera. So right off the bat, let me tell you that they sent this to me as a gift because we love technology in this house and we love taking pictures. Now this camera has been perfect because my little ones love to use it and it's so easy for them to use it. And with this camera, you're going to have a bunch of different modes that you can shoot from. You can shoot high quality pictures, you can shoot high quality videos, you can shoot time lapse, you can shoot slow motion videos. You can do continuous shooting, busta shooting, time lapse shooting. There's so many different features jam packed inside of this, and I am loving it. Now, along with this camera that's super easy to use, you can also turn on the Wi Fi on the camera and connect to it with your smartphone. So once you go ahead and download that app and connect to the camera through the camera's Wi Fi, you're going to have full access to this camera. You're going to be able to control the camera. You can take pictures with it. You can start recordings with it. And then also you can see all of the pictures and videos on the camera and download them right to your phone with the ease. So this is amazing feature if you don't have a computer to transfer these files onto. Now let me tell you this, I am super impressed with the quality of these pictures and these videos. Let's go ahead and take a look at some of the pictures that I actually took on this camera over the last couple days. Now this camera also came with a 32 gig card, and that's going to hold so many pictures and videos for you. So let's go ahead and take a look here at some of the pictures that I got. Now, we got hit with a snowstorm this week in the Midwest, and the weather was crazy. So I went out and I took some pictures of my backyard here, and this nature picture looks amazing. The size of these pictures are huge. This is going to be 9216 by 6912. Now that's a huge resolution, I tell you, and you can tell by all the details in this. And then next up, I got a little shot here of a sled, and I love the details of the snow on it, how the color just pops. So I don't know if you guys are going to be able to tell on your screen, but these colors are bright and vibrant on this 80 megapixel camera here. And then this here is a picture of the backyard with the sun coming up in the morning. So it was still dark out, it was still dusk, and this camera picked up the quality of that sunrise coming up with no problem. And then we got Junie here. Yes, Junie is a black cat, and it is so hard for me to get a good picture of her because she always just blends in with the background, or she just looks like a black blob. So I love the details that this camera really got with Junie here. And then look at Duke. We were outside playing in the snow and he got covered with it. Now, what I really love about this 80 megapixel now, what I really love about this 80 megapixel camera here is the quality that it takes. I can zoom in on this and just look at that. Look at the snowdrops on Duke. You can see all the precise details on this picture. This is amazing. Every little drip of snow on that cute little nose. Look at that. This is amazing. So I am so blown away at the quality of this camera and really the high resolution, high definition pictures like this picture here of Duke. And this is with no editing. This is just raw photos that I'm looking at. Here's one of the living room that my little one took. The camera is so easy for kids to use. It's simple. So here is a video that I took out in the chicken coop. Now it's super dark out here in the run because I have it wrapped up for winters, and it was still early in the morning. So it was, pretty dark in here. And I wanted to see how this video camera picked up this video, and I love it. It looks great. And then here's a shot of that slow motion. So you're gonna see Duke here. I got a snowball, and he's gonna jump up and grab it. So this is the slow motion, effect that you can use right here on the camera. And then there's also gonna be that time lapse. Now this one is a little out of focus because I had gloves on. I was covered with snow, and I wasn't really looking at the camera. I just turned it on, and I went and started doing what I was doing. So with this camera, you're gonna be able to hold that button down and take a focus, grab focus on whatever object you need to grab. And I didn't do that. I just let it run in, and I think it looks great, man. You got my little one out there making a snow angel. This is amazing. I'm loving these memories that I'm making with this camera. Like I said, there's so many features jam-packed inside of it. So this is going to be great for a beginner, and this is also going to be great for more of a professional that you can go in there and fine-tune all the settings. Now, I was completely impressed when I opened up this box here because that's when I seen everything that was included inside of it. So along with that high quality, high digital camera you're also going to get a clean and wipe for it. You're going to get a lens cover for it to put it on there when you're not using it. You're going to get that handheld strap that you can put on there so you always have your hand around that camera when you're shooting it so you don't have accidental drop-ins, I tell you. You're going to have that USB-C cable. Now this is, you're going to be able to charge it up wherever you want to go. If you need a quick charge, you can do this, or you can use this to transfer your pictures to your computer. And then you can also use this to use your camera as a webcam like I'm doing right now. And then also, this is another thing that really impressed me. It comes with two of the batteries with one of these standalone battery chargers that you can plug this USB-C cable in. So you're always going to have a full battery. If you're going to go out and do photo shoots and whatnot, this is going to come with two of the batteries that you can just swap out with the quickness. So all in all, if you're looking for a high quality camera with a budget price, I tell you, this is jam-packed with features for 2026. It's high quality, it's some high resolution photos, and I am blown away. So all in all, this camera here is just fantastic.